Well, what are we up to today? Put up some pork loin rib chops and some Caesar salad for supper tonight. Gonna do it on the Camp Chef gas stove here. I've got the grill, put the pork chops on. So, without further ado, let's throw those chops. I get this grill going, heat it up, and then we'll throw the chops on. Got this started finally. Yeah. We'll just give it a few minutes and let it heat up, and then we'll throw our pork chops on there. So I'll heat it up and ready to go. Let's throw our chops on here. Never used this before, so this will be a first for me and a first for you guys. So, we'll see how well it cooks on here. Got some Montreal steak spice. Can't forget the spices this time. I know it's for steak, but hey, I'm trying something different today. All right, we'll let that go. Hey, we're gonna give you a little close-up shot of the pork chops cooking here. Cooking up pretty good. I mean, almost like a barbecue. Yeah, pretty much. The barbecue. Barbecue in a Coleman stove. Well, Camp Chef. Gas stove, I should say. Yeah. Pork chops on a barbecue on a gas stove. Barbecue style. Well, guys, our pork chops are done. Just about done. I'm going to make up our Caesar salad. Add the breadcrumbs, a little bit of cheese, and some salad dressing. Go with this. Creamy Caesar salad dressing. Oh. Technical difficulties. All right, we'll mix that up. Just a little bit more dressing on there. That should be good. Yeah. That pork chop smells pretty good. Okay, the salads are all ready to go. Let's check on our pork chop. That looks good. It's all done and ready to go. Let's take her off. Well, I think our pork chops are done. Turn this off. Turn the heat off. And let's serve it up on our plate. How's that look? I'll just take one for now. Let's put some Caesar salad on there. Get some Caesar salad on there. All right, that looks pretty good. A meal for one, outdoors, outdoor cooking. Can't go wrong with that. Let's try it out, see how it tastes. First bite. You taste that Montreal steak spice for sure in that. That is very good. Tastes like barbecue for sure. Let's try the Caesar salad. Very good. Excellent meal. Well, I'll continue eating. I'll catch back with you guys in a bit, guys. That's all I have for you today. Okay, I was able to eat my salad and one pork chop and a bit of the second one. So, I'm full now. Now I can sit back, relax for the rest of the night. All right, guys. Well, we'll take care, and we'll see you on the next one. And if you want to see any other videos, I'll either leave a link here or here for some other videos. All right. Have a good one. Good times. See you on the next one.